You wait there while I find you something to eat. Monster Scrummies, where are you? Aha! I found you.
Yes!
Oh, it's empty.
Oh, don't worry. We'll find something to take my mind off my tummy grumbles. Is there anything else in the box?
Just more recycled sponges.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea! Time to get this place ready for a monster make! Hey! Whoa! Aha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's tiger bread toast.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
Amazing, Murphy. For this monster make, we'll need an old cleaning sponge, some orange and black card, stickers for eyes, and paint.
What do you want to do first, Rebecca?
Let's start by carefully cutting the sponge in half. Can we have some monster cutting, please, Murphy?
Sure thing!
Thanks, Murphy. Make sure you ask a grown-up to help you with this, because it can be tricky. Now squeeze the sides of the sponge and carefully make 2 cuts in the edge.
Carefully does it.
Now it's your favourite time, Murphy.
Oh, is it lunchtime?
No, it's paint time.
Yes! I love, love, love paint time.
Paint the bottom of the sponge white and the edges orange.
Painty, painty, monster painty. Bum, ba-dum, boom, boom. Hey, 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 hey!
When it's dry, add some brown splodges around the edge.
And a tear shape down the middle.
Oh, you know what that sound means?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Let's draw it with a pencil or a pen. Just draw it, it's fun. Do it again and again and again and again. Let's draw it.
Woohoo! Thank you, Fabulous Fluffs. The Draw It song always makes me want to draw.
Let's do it. First, take the orange card and draw 2 tear shapes.
Tears for ears.
You can add some tiger stripes and a curve on both too.
Oh, yes, you've got to have tiger stripes.
Now, on black paper, draw a nose shape and a mouth, like this, and 4 triangles for our tiger's stripes. How about we cut these shapes out with some more monster magic?
Okay then, coming right up.
Remember to ask a grown-up to help you with scissors. It's time to stick our shapes onto our spongy tiger.
Woohoo! Sticky, sticky, monster sticky. Hey!
Now push the ears into the cuts we made earlier.
There's one more thing we need. Stickers!
Stickers! For the eyes. And there you have it.
It's awesome!
Hey, Murphy! I baked a shepherd's pie for our picnic today.
Hey, Rebecca.
Oh, wow! You set it all up.
I sure have. I have everything we need. A blanket, a basket of yummy food, ants. Ants?
Oh, I'm sorry, Murphy, but we can't have a picnic with insects crawling around. And if we can't have a picnic, it means we can't try the shepherd's pie I baked.
It seems like these little ants are causing a big problem. It's all right, Rebecca. We'll find a way to safely get rid of the ants so we can have the picnic and eat your yummy pie.
Sounds great. Because let's face it, nobody wants to eat food with bugs in it.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea. Time to get this place ready for a monster make. Hey! Whoa! Aha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's a fantastic fly in a bowl of soup.
Let's get monster making! Yay!
You got it, Murphy. For this hilarious monster make, you will need a paper bowl, a wooden spoon, a pom-pom, some sticky eyes, card, tissue paper and paint.
Where should we start?
Oh, I know. Let's start by painting the bowl. Now, you can paint it any colour you like, but I reckon a bright blue with loads of yellow dots.
Painty, painty, monster painty!
This is going to be a tasty pea soup, so we need to scrunch up the tissue paper and glue it into the bowl for the soup.
Ooh, scrunchy, scrunchy!
Great scrunching, Murphy.
Thanks.
Now, stick it in the bowl.
Hey, 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 hey!
Now let's use our paintbrush to paint a white swirl on our tissue paper soup.
Extra creamy tissue paper soup!
Murphy, you know what that sound means, don't you?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Let it dry, let it dry. Don't rush, let it dry. Take your time, let it dry, let it dry.
That is one of my most favourite songs yet.
Mine too. I'm loving that tune. Now let's do as the song says and let this dry.
Oh, this is taking ages. Let's just use some monster magic to speed things along.
Oh yes, it's definitely dry.
Great! Now we need to make our fly.
Yes, for this we can use our pom-pom and some paper shapes for wings.
Ooh, don't forget the fly's eyes.
We're using stickers, but you can use paper circles if you want.
Now we glue the fly on the soup and add the spoon. What a super monster make! I'm simply buzzing with excitement. Oh, just like the fly. Ooh.
Why don't you make your own fantastic fly in a bowl of soup and decorate it any way you want? Egg boxes. With no eggs in them.
That has given me a mega monster idea! I love egg boxes because they're so bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Maybe a bit too bumpy, but they're exactly what we need to make a snippy, snappy egg box crocodile. It can join the jungle band.
So, as well as the egg boxes, we'll need an empty tissue box, card, bottle tops, stickers, and paint.
Let's start with the crocodile's body.
Egg boxes are perfect for crocodiles' bumpy skin. First, we're using the bottom half of an egg box. Ask a grown-up to cut it for you.
And here's an empty tissue box for the body too.
Stick them together.
Ooh, don't forget its snippy, snappy mouth.
Snap, snap, snap. Now let's tape the other egg box right here along the edge. Use as much tape as you need.
It's monster paint time, our favourite. Painty, painty, monster painty.
We're using crocodile green for the body and pink paint for the inside of the mouth. Looking good. It just needs to dry now. While we wait, let's make 4 crocodile legs and a tail. We're going to need the green card for this. The legs are curvy shapes with toes on the end, like this.
Hey, 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 hey!
And I've drawn a pointy tail too. Now, carefully cut it all out.
Let's use good old monster magic one more time.
Oh, thanks, Murphy. Always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Now, just stick on the legs.
It's sticky, sticky, stick time!
And we can stick the tail here.
What's missing? The snippy, snappy teeth! I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Ooh.
They filled the crocodile's mouth with a sparkly set of white card teeth and added bottle lids for eyes. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you.
Now all we have to do is pop on some stickers for the pupils
Sticky, sticky, stickers.
and the nostrils. Our snippy, snappy crocodile is all finished, and you can make one too. Snippy, snappy.
It's a monster snip, snap, snazzy crocodile. And now it can play in our snazzy jungle band.
Woo!
Yeah! Let's do the monster jungle bop.
Everybody do the monster jungle bop.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too? Let's get monster making!
It's a yoghurt pot, ladybird. For this, we'll need a clean yoghurt pot, coloured card, pipe cleaners, stickers, and paint. For the ladybird's body, paint the yoghurt pot red.
Painty, painty, monster painty.
Leave that to one side to dry as we need to get drawing. Let's draw 2 leaf shapes. These will be our ladybird's wings.
Buzzy, 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 monster flappy.
Now we can cut these shapes out.
Here comes some monster magic.
Ask a grown-up for help when using scissors at home. Use a glue stick to add these to the back of the dry yoghurt pot. Next, bend a pipe cleaner in half. And make some curly ends by wrapping them around your finger.
They make monster-tastic antennae, Rebecca.
Let's use a little glue to stick these to the back of the yoghurt pot. Finally, let's decorate! These stickers will be perfect for our ladybird's eyes. Finally, we can draw on a smile. There, one ladybird yoghurt pot all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Hey, it's me, Rebecca. I'm just about to catch up with my monstery friend Murphy.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a cheese box pufferfish. So for this monster make, we'll need a round cheese box, paint, orange and blue card, cupcake cases, stickers, and pipe cleaners. Let's start by painting the cheese box.
Bum, 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 bum. Hey, 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 hey!
Then fold 2 cupcake cases in half like this. These will be the pufferfish fins. Add glue and stick them to either side of the cheese box.
Gluey, gluey, sticky, sticky.
Add glue to the back of the cheese box. And place it onto a piece of blue paper. Next, we need some...
Sticky stick stickers!
You're right, Murphy. Let's use some pink, white and black stickers for the pufferfish eyes.
Yeah! Googly!
And some more stickers for a mouth. Now we need to cut some triangles from this piece of orange card. Thanks, Murphy, and make sure you ask a grown-up to help when using scissors. We can use these as the spikes on our pufferfish's body. Let's add some seaweed to our picture as well. We can make that by twisting and twirling some green pipe cleaners like this. Let's stick those to our picture on either side of our fish. It's a fantastic cheese box pufferfish. What a brilliant idea, Murphy!
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!